Tamco round tanks are available in a variety of sizes and styles and can be used for a wide range of industrial and commercial applications. All Tamco rotomolded round tanks are made of UV-resistant LLDPE that meets FDA standards. Tamco Industries now offers Tamco heavy-duty cone-bottom tank packages, designed for the ease of mixing and dispensing liquids of up to 1.7 specific gravity. These packages include the tank, a stand, and a valve kit. Each valve kit includes 2 PVC nipples, 1 PVC elbow, 1 PVC valve, PTFE tape, and an instruction sheet. The tanks are translucent and graduated for viewing the level of liquid. Their maximum temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit and they meet FDA standards, with the exception of the 12-inch screw-on lids. Some assembly is required with these packages. For more information on our Tamco heavy-duty cone-bottom tank packages or any of our other Tamco products, visit us online at usplastic.com or call us at 800-537-9724. Thanks for watching.